I choose to work here because you get good feedback from higher ups, just the family atmosphere that you don't tend to get in other larger companies. My name's Sam Fisher. I'm a repair welder for Nix. The type of repairs we'll do is frame repair, cracked weld repair, straightening out completely bent members of a frame, rusted out frames. I think Nix is a great place to work because of the family culture. Everybody gets along as family. That's a beautiful thing of the company. I work with a great team here, great group of guys. We all have fun with one another. We can cut up and make jokes and lighten up the load sometimes when we have a heavy workload. When I was a young boy, my grandpa, to keep me busy, he'd give me a piece of wood and sit in the backyard and drive nails in it so that I learned good work ethic. I choose to work with my hands because it keeps me inventive, keeps me happy. I'm from Mount Vernon. I enjoy hunting, fishing, hiking, working on cars, horses, cattle. I always take pride in seeing a job done right. I love seeing jobs through to the end, overcome the hurdles that project may have with it, feel a sense of pride after being able to figure out my way around those hurdles.